Hey everyone, it's Big C. It is Friday afternoon. It is 4/22, Friday the 13th. So I've got a mini box 3, a pack of Tribute 4, and a Panini Playbook book break. So let's first do the sheet. Let's end at 4/11, which I believe was Wednesday night. So here we go with the sign-up sheet. I believe all these sold out, I think, and everything. Seattle, that is you with the Nationals. I think we cut it a little short with the S. And the non-baseball is Team USA. So here we go with mini box 3. Which is right here. And good luck to everybody. Let's see here. We got Jerry Sands for the Dodgers. Not numbered. And we've got Jarrett Parker for the Diamondbacks. Not numbered. And then we have Sonny Gray for the Oakland A's, which would be Larry's Cards, would get this one. And then we have Buddy De La Rosa for the Dodgers, not numbered, and that's for Tribe fans. And our last one is Corey Lubick for the Padres, and that would be Jay Julius. And that's not numbered. So there you got it. Short and sweet. And again, I appreciate it, guys. Keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, guys.